stop playing with him.
J DEVINCI and his bitch. Okay. I'm so glad I got him twerking with me.
Welcome back to my channel. J DEVINCI here with another video. I know you guys know we are back. I'm here with my natural hair just popping and luscious. I know this pregnancy has done everything. It's made my hair grow tremendously. Like, we are here. My hair is long. It's luscious. I could do whatever. I'm just playing. This is not my hair. This is not my hair, and I have no hair left out. I just wanted to pull it backwards so y'all could see what was going on. I have no hair left out, like no hair left out. Okay, this wig, I'm gonna show you all how to apply it in this video. It's super easy. It's very versatile. You can put it up in a ponytail, you can wear it down if you want to. I am selling these units. We are here, so if you're interested in picking up or purchasing a crochet wig from me, hit me up. I am gonna have a website, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm taking email orders. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Share with anyone who loves natural hair goes, crochet hairstyles, and let's get right. I'm just so excited. Let's get right to the video. Interested? It's got baby hairs all around the perimeter. It's super cute. You can put it in a high ponytail, low ponytail. We're vibing. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh yeah, and it's for all head sizes. Big head friendly, small head friendly. We're here. But I'm gonna show you guys how to apply it to make it look its most natural. I have not cut it, you know, given it any layers or anything like that. All right, so what we need to do first, I'm going to secure my wig onto my head. I wish I had like a little headband, but since we don't, we'll just pull it over to the side. All right, so I'm gonna start off with some bobby pins. The bobby pins are gonna be what really secures it so I could be swinging my Beyonce hair around. I'm not afraid that my wig is gonna come off, but this is gonna give us the most security so we can do the most in our wig, okay? So we're just making sure it's to our head where we want it. And this is what I do. Take it, put it in there. And it's cool because with these, you can virtually use any type of hair clips you want. So we're just taking this, securing our unit to our head. You guys, I am here for this. I'm actually going to be headed to my husband's music video shoot. So we threw out Beyonce. You want Beyonce in your video? Okay, I'll give you Beyonce in your video then. You guys are gonna see crochet wigs all over my channel. So if you're interested in one, hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. Your girl just left her job. By the time this video is up, I probably don't go to work anymore. So I have so much time to follow my dreams and passions. So hit me up, y'all. I want you guys to know the nappier this hair gets, like the messier and the nappier your hair, your crochet hair is, the more natural the vibes are. So once it's secured to our head, we could also go and do the perimeter. We could do the back if we want to. It's not going anywhere. Like, it's not going anywhere. You guys see we have some baby hairs. Now we need to attend to our bobby hairs. So what we do to our baby hairs, almost like how we just did it to our hair. Even though you don't have to do all this, if you plan on putting it up in a ponytail, being extra, you know how you are when you be extra. I know it's not just me, but some of us are mighty extra. Our face, this is our length, super long. As you guys know, we are pregnant. Let's do our baby hairs. I like to spread out the baby hairs first. You want less baby hairs, you just let me know. Like, oh, I want less baby hairs. And it's like, oh, okay, you get less baby hairs. But for me, I absolutely don't want any of my hair out. So the more baby hairs for me, the more natural the hairstyle looks, especially if your hair isn't this color. Like if you have jet black hair, or let's say you have red hair, you're gonna need more baby hairs. Cause me, give me all the baby hairs. Done. This hairstyle takes really no time. Because once it's on, it's not going anywhere. But I do not sleep in these units. So that's why I really love it. It's versatile. You don't gotta worry about, oh, I hate, people be like, I hate sleeping in my wig. So I just wanted to give you that versatility. And you can also cut your baby hair shorter. So it's very customizable. You guys see, we got these curls for the girls. No hair left out. We got curls for the girls. So it just looks like we are just this curly goddess with these natural hair gold. For this side, we could definitely cut these baby hairs a bit more. All right, so now what we're going to do, We're going to align. Oh, let me zoom out. We are going to, oh, just so you guys can see how we got it going. Hair looks completely natural. Some of them you might need to just add a bit more. What are these called? Bobby pins. And the good thing about these bobby pins is you don't see them. It just looks like we have all this gorgeous hair sprouting out of our head. So here's style 1. I have absolutely not cut the hair. We have not cut the hair. The hair is, let me put on my song.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie.
So I actually didn't end up cutting the unit. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to cut it. Like, it's just already so cute. Let me just flip my hair around because I'm feeling rather sexy with my Ultimate Goals hair. Perfect for any type of weather, perfect for everything. Like, this hair is not going anywhere. The unit has baby hairs around the whole unit. You can put it up in a high ponytail, in a high bun, whatever your wish is my desire. I wouldn't recommend that you go around braiding the hair because the less manipulation you do, the hair is gonna preserve. However, the nappier, to me personally, when the hair gets nappier, I like the hair more. I like afro hair frizzes. Those are my vibes. If you want to preserve your hair for the long run, I would recommend that you just boom tada, we're here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on how I apply my crochet wigs. If you're interested in getting a crochet wig from me, check the email description below. Send me an email. I will have a website up and running so you guys can just order and then I'll ship them to you. We are here, goals. All right, y'all, bye.
Check, okay, I can't feel my face. Walked in a party and it feel like space. What up? I'm feeling myself, trying to get at me. Better kill yourself, before my nigga do.